Okay, today I have my Yu-Gi-Oh opening these 4 sleeve blisters, Battle of Legend, or sleeve boosters I mean, sorry, but go ahead and get them open so we can start opening the packs. Hopefully we get something good. And all these packs are in here upside down. Alright, so let's go ahead and start out this first pack. That pack tore way too easily. Alright, so we got Yugioh bonus, the Avatar Malice, Donald the Noble Arms of Light, Nightmare Corruptor Ibli, additional mirror level 7, and Stellar Knight Constellar Diamond. Pretty cool. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, Mother Spider Splitter, Sprite Carrot, Water Enchantress of the Temple. Well, that's got a pretty cool hollow to it. Right. Zarlam the Dark Palace, Aratama, Alright, we got Curse of Armator, No Punk Zayaman. That's a pretty cool card. Whoa. Look at that hollow. Alright, that's Mysterion the Dragon Crown, Ghost Lancer the Underworld Spearman, and Spiral Quick Fix. Alright, let's see what we get from this pack. Alright, oh, Odd Eyes Rebellion XYZ Dragon. That's a pretty cool card. Performer Pal Classy Karibo. Elemental Hero Flame Wingman Infernal Rage, Puppet Pawn, Math Mech Equation. Alright, so that was those 4 packs of Yu-Gi-Oh! I don't really know if any of those are good hits or worth sleeving up or whatever. If someone can let me know. And if you enjoyed the video, want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching. You have a great day or night, whatever it is for you. Bye.